Welcome to this channel, traders. Today I want to show you how to make a lot of money in forex using this simple strategy. Okay, it is the same RSI strategy, just that I have included the stochastic oscillator. We have three things to observe: the oscillator, the RSI, and the 100 period moving average. First thing, maybe let me start by the zoom level. Let's just zoom out everything. Okay, so this is what you do. Maybe let me just scroll to a random place. We can start from here. The first thing that you need to observe is the RSI, because it is where you determine whether to buy or to sell. If I can start from here, see that price touches the 9-line level on the RSI for you to buy. Okay, once price has touched the 9-line level, you can even move it back and forth just to see if it is not jumping away from the 9-line level. If it is not, it means that that signal is valid. The second thing that you need to observe is what is happening on the main chart. Okay, so on the main chart, you have to see price being above the 100 period moving average, so that you know that price is now on an uptrend. Because what happens on the RSI, once price is on the 9-line level, it doesn't mean that price is going to go up. It only means that price is on a strong downtrend. So it doesn't suggest that price will pull back in a moment. So that is why you need to even confirm on the chart that really price is now on an uptrend. If you know a little bit of price action, you can even check that price has now broken out of this trend line. Okay, so those are the few things that you need to observe. You don't just look at the indicators and then you start trading. So you have to make sure that price is above the 100 period moving average. That is your second confirmation. For your third confirmation, let me just show you these traders. Let's say price was on an uptrend like this. Okay, this is a trend line, and then you see price breaking that trend line and closing below. It is very much expected that price will make sort of a pullback and then go down, pull back and go down, pull back and move down again. These are your areas of interest. This is where you want to place trades. Okay, this is where you want to keep on adding trades. So what you do right here, this is where the stochastic oscillator helps us. Once you have made the confirmations, you have seen that price has touched the 9-line level. It is now above the 100 period moving average, showing that it is now on an uptrend. You then wait for price to make a pullback on the stochastic oscillator. So if I may show you, your first pullback was right here. Okay, so your first pullback on the stochastic oscillator was right there. Let me just move this. So that was your first pullback right here. Once you see price closing below the 20-line level on the stochastic oscillator, you take your trade. So on the chart, it would be right there at that pullback. You take the trade. Once you have taken the trade, you hold. And as you are holding, if price makes a pullback again, right there was another pullback, you can place another trade. Okay, you can place another trade. See that right there is another pullback on the stochastic oscillator. You can place another trade. But then let me show you this. Once price touches the 90-line level or the 80-line level, you take your profits. So maybe just to make a correction, this second trade right there would be invalid because price had already touched up there. So after taking the trade here, and right there price touched the 80 or 90-line level on the RSI, you take your profits. And after taking your profits, since price is now right on the 90 line level here on the RSI, what you do is you are now looking to sell. Okay, but then remember, you don't just sell. What you do, you wait for price to be below the 100 period moving average. So let's just go together. You move it back and forth, and then you can see that it is not moving away from the 90 line level. So let me just scroll bit by bit. Okay, price is still above the 100 period moving average on the main chart. I scroll back again, it is still above the 100 period moving average. Okay, right now you can see that price is now below the 100 period moving average. So what you do, you are now looking to sell. And where can you sell? For you to sell, you need to wait for a pullback on the oscillator. You have your first confirmation, price touched up there, and price is below the 100 period moving average. What you wait for now is for a pullback down here. So let's wait for that, so that maybe we can find an entry. Okay, let's go down slowly. Right there you have a pullback on the oscillator. If you can check down there, we have a pullback, and right at the pullback you place your sell trade. Okay, so right there you would place your sell trade. And remember that if price will touch the 9 line level, we will no longer be placing any trades. So after placing the trade, let's just continue and see what happened. Okay, price drops again. We have okay, we can't place another sell trade because price is now at the 9 line level. So you close your trades, you take your profits. Remember, you entered up there, so down here, somewhere down there, you take your profits. Okay, now let's see if we can buy. You have to play around with the chart. You see that it's not moving away from the 9 line level on your RSI. So the next thing is to wait for price to close above the moving average. Okay, let's just be honest. Right there you can see that price closed above the moving average on the screen. Okay, remember, you don't know the future of the market. You see that and you think that price right here, price touched the 9 line level, and then right there price is above the moving average. Now you are waiting for a pullback on the stochastic oscillator, and that pullback has to be right on the 20 line level or below it. So let's just wait for that pullback. Right there you have a pullback. Okay, you have a pullback down here. So you place your trade, you enter your buy trade down there. Okay, you can put your stop loss here, and after placing the buy trade, let's see how price plays out. Okay, it's moving in our direction, and guess what, you have another entry. You have another entry up there. Oh, I mean down here you have another entry. So right here you would place another trade because price has not touched the 80 line level or the 90 line level, which means it is still valid for you to enter another buy. You place another buy. Let's see how things turn out. Okay, it's still moving upward, and you could still place another buy down there, but then it's now late because price is already on your 90 line level. So you close all your profits, you get out. Okay, if I can continue right now, I hope you know the story. Price is now at the 90 line level, and if price is at the 90 line level, what you are waiting for is for price to come below the 100 moving average. Okay, so let us just wait for that. Okay, maybe right there you see that price, even though it's not clear, let's just wait for another place. Okay, right here you confirm that price is below the 100 period moving average, and once you make that confirmation, you wait for a pullback up here so that you can place the sell trade. So let's just wait for that pullback. Okay, you have a pullback now. You have a pullback right there. You place a sell trade. Maybe you could have placed your sell trade somewhere here. You put your stop loss around there. Okay, let's see how things play out. Okay, you see price dropping. Maybe that spike could have taken you out, but if you are watching, that spike could have taken you out, but then you could have re-entered. If you can be watching this thing, see that price drops, but not that much. Okay, does drop, and remember, all you wait for is for price to come and touch the 99 level right there. So it's like that, traders. Maybe I can just show you the settings for those who are new in this channel. On a clean chart like this one, just press that F button. Okay, so I click there, and then first thing, you go to RSI right there, and then under the levels, it's period 1, apply to close. Under the levels, you have these levels. Just copy them, go back and click done. You have your RSI. The next thing, press the F button again up there, and then on indicator window 1, this is indicator window 1, let's just press there. You add the envelopes. Okay, these are the envelopes. Just click there, put these settings, period 1, deviation 0, method is exponential, apply to close, copy as is, and then you click done. Your RSI, you are done with the RSI. The next thing, go to the F button again. Now go to main chart, go to the stochastic oscillator. This is the stochastic oscillator. Just press that, copy as is. These are the default settings, just that under the main right here I put 1 pixel, and the color of the main I put white because I'm not interested in that one. And for the signal I put 3 pixels so that is visible, and then I put red. Okay, you can put colors of your choice. The levels 28 is just the default. You press done, and then you are done with setting up the indicator. Maybe the last thing, you go to the main chart again up there. Okay, and you add the moving average. Make it period 100 exponential, and then you press done. So that's it, traders. I wish you the best as you try this out, and I'm happy that most of you are making a lot of money with the strategies that I share. Thank you for watching this video. Happy trading.